Thokozani dumelang ba bohle. Ngiyanibingelela nonke. Right. I want to teach you something. It's been said several times, but some people don't understand it. Right. If you're a gifted child, mawungumntana kamoya, izimpi zomoya ngeke ziyeke ukukulandela. Impi kamoya angeke iyeke ikukulandela. Dintwa tsa moya ditlolatela. That is why when you're a gifted child, you get given izikhali zomoya. This is isikhali sami ke somoya. Ngilwela imimoya emibi for myself, on behalf of myself and on behalf of everybody. So namhlanje ke ngilwa imimoya emibi. Umntana kamoya angeke athandeke. Umntana kamoya futhi singatshelana manga. If you're a gifted child, uzolwa impi kamoya for the rest of your life. Right. Mina ke ngingembathe ingubo yami yamandla, ngiphathe nenduku yami yamandla. Nazo ke thina wakithi umlilo ushisa emanzini. Umlilo wami ushisa emanzini, umlilo wami uvutha emanzini. Ngiyayilwa ke mina impi kamoya, ngilwela abantwana bamba kamoya, ngizilwela nami ngoba akukho ukuphumula mawungumntana kamoya khohlwa. You will always fight battles. You are going to fight battles. The battles that you know something about and the battles that you know nothing about. So there's no time to relax. If you're a gifted child, you will always fight for the rest of your life, fighting for yourself, fighting for your family, fighting for your friends. Owami ke umlilo uvutha emanzini. That's how I break induku kamoya. If you're a gifted child, the first thing that you get given is izikhali zomoya. You get given izikhali zikamoya. Nanso ke sami ziningi, khona ezokulwa emanzini, khona ezokulwa emoyeni. Awavuthe. Ngiyabonga mkhulu.